Hey everyone, how are you doing today? I hope you're having an absolutely wonderful day. I am so very excited to finally be unboxing my Colourpop mystery box. I ordered this on the day that they came out and I just got it. So I feel like, and I didn't get the cute little mystery box thing that they had been putting in that I saw others got, so I must have been one of the last ones that they shipped out. I'm thinking they got more orders than they were expecting. I did order the big one. They had 3 different sizes, and I decided to get the big one because, first of all, there's a lot of Colourpop things that I actually haven't tried. I thought this would be a really good opportunity to perhaps try some things I wouldn't necessarily order for myself, but also coming up in a future video, I'm going to be having a giveaway, and I knew there'd be so many goodies that I would want to share with someone. So let's get into opening this, but because a whole bunch of this I'm gonna be setting aside for a giveaway, I'm probably not going to be doing a whole lot of swatching until I decide exactly what it is I'm going to be keeping versus giving away. Let's get right into this though. I'm so excited. Before I forget to mention, the tea of the day is good old trusty Tazo chai. The very first thing that I see on top is this really cute little carton. So this is from something from Fourth Ray Beauty, which I haven't tried anything from Colourpop's sister brand. So this is the avocado body milk. Okay, that is cute. This might be something that I end up keeping. Oh, that sounds so nice. I'm excited about that one. Okay, got distracted for a minute. Dog started barking. I'm back and I'm so ready. Okay, so the next thing that I see is something in bubble wrap, which to me usually says a powder product of some sort. So let us see. Yes! So this is one of the quads from the Animal Crossing collection. This is What a Hoot. I'm gonna carefully open it so we can see the color story. So in my family, we do have the game on the horizons, and I rarely play it though. It's more like my husband's and my daughter's thing. But I, have played it enough to recognize the characters. Oh, and I love the little owls. And oh my goodness, was I going to do my nails for this video? Yes, I was. Did I? No. It's a common theme with me. We're just gonna, okay, move on. So this is the What a Hoot palette. And it has a super beautiful little color story, although it does look like it has a pressed glitter here. This is a super pretty color story though, so if you're into a pressed glitter, this would be adorable. Okay, I see one more thing that I think is another eyeshadow quad from the Animal Crossing collection. Yes, so this is the 5-Star Island little quad. Look at the cute little outer packaging, and this one, oh how cute. It has a pink and yellow color story. Really adorable. Sorry, I'm trying not to blind you from the window sitting in front of me here. Super cute. Next up, looks like it says it's a liquid lip. I've never tried any of their liquid lipsticks before. Oh, this is the Ultra Blotted Lip. This is in the shade Doozy. Again, never tried the Ultra Blotted Lip, and it seems like it's one of those ones that people really enjoy or really hate. Like, I've never seen a meh review for them. People feel one way or the other. I'm kind of interested to try that actually to see what I think. Next up, looks like there's 2 mascaras in here. One is black and one is brown. Again, I have never tried Colourpop's mascara. This is the Act Natural Defining Mascara. So that is really cool that they sent both a brown and a black. I don't have any brown mascaras at the moment. Usually I want a nice intense mascara, but sometimes a brown mascara, there is a place for it. Oh, we have a cream shadow. Let's see what shade. The shade Bronco. I kind of recognize that. I feel like this was in the Wild Nothing collection. Yeah, that's the little pretty little art from the Wild Nothing collection, and the shade Bronco is a really pretty neutral shade. Next, a cream gel color. Never tried these. This is in the shade Sour Candy. Whoa, that's fun. Yeah, never ever tried one of these, and I'm honestly both nervous and really excited to perhaps try this for the first time. Yeah, I kind of want to try. I am not very good at liner. Like, it's just not my forte. If anything, it's my forte. But it really makes me want to try it at least. We have another cute little package. Oh, this has to be from the Garden Variety collection. I thought that was one of the prettiest collections that they had. This is a Jelly Much shadow. Another product I've never tried. This is the shade Saguaro. Okay, come on. I don't want to ruin this pretty little box if I could get it open. Come on. Really cute packaging on this one. And oh, it does. Okay, I think this might be one I'm going to keep. So I'm going to go ahead and pull off the little seal. Oh, yeah, it's like kind of goopy, isn't it? Kind of exciting. I've got to stick my fingers in this one and see what the formula is like. Oh yeah, it's wet and kind of moussey maybe, but ooh, gorgeous, fun. I enjoy shades like this. Ooh, so here we have another product I've never tried. This is the liquid liner. This is in the shade Make Love, which, oh, it looks like it's gonna be yellow. I'm gonna go ahead and open this one. Yep, it's a yellow liquid liner. Since I'm gonna keep this one I will swatch. Ooh, there it is right there. Fun, super, super fun. I love colorful eyeliner. Even though I'm not good at it, I like it. Okay, I see a ultra glossy lip. I have tried their luxe glosses, but not their ultra glossy. And this one looks like just a nude. This is the shade Irreplaceable. It's a nude and it looks like it has a little bit of sparkle in it. I don't know if that's picking up very well on camera, but I really enjoy lip gloss. Lip gloss is gotta be one of my favorite things ever. So I'm excited to try that. And now let's see, what do we have? Lippy Pencils. Okay, I was really hoping that this box would have Lippy Pencils. Lippy Pencils is one of my favorite things from Colourpop. I love them. I got the shades Field Day and Ashton. So first, Field Day. Ooh, that's nice. It's a beautiful rich brown. Love it. Oh, and Ashton is a beautiful cool tone brown. I have another cool tone from them that I really like. Oh, yes. That one is Ashton. Next up, we have two Lippie Stix. I know people rave about these. I have not tried, very many colors. I've had one color in the past. This is the shade Poison in the matte formula, and Trust Me in Matte X, whatever that means. Let's look at Poison first. Whoa, it is like a brick, dark vampy red. Wow, what a fun one for fall especially. And then the shade Trust Me in the Matte X formula. Oh my, this one looks like a red. Yep, red. Super fun. Okay, I see one more little skinny tube. This is it says Put Me On Your Lids. Oh, a cream gel liner, yay! They've been sending a lot of liners in this box, which I'm very excited about. This is the shade Electric Daisy. So I would think bright yellow. Let's see what we have. Oh, nope. It is Electric Green. Let's swatch this one. I've seen a lot of people accidentally break these, so I'm gonna try to be super gentle. Yeah, that is like lime green. Oh, for fun. I don't have anything like this in my stash. So fun. Okay, so next I see two single shadows. Oh, this one looks like a pressed glitter. It's the shade, oh, it's kind of wonky in the package. Let's see if I can fix it here. This is the shade Tiny Nugget. And then, oops. And the next one looks like a matte shadow. This is the shade Imperial, which kind of looks like a pretty terracotta red. Okay, next I have a whole bunch of bubble wrapped items. We'll see what that means. Unwrap this one here. Oh, this is a Super Shock cheek product. I have been wanting to try one of these. This is the shade Wisp. Ooh, this one might be too deep for me. Just looking at it, and I don't really want to swatch it in case I decide to put it in the giveaway, but check that out. That is beautiful. And I've been wanting to try one of these, but I'm going to resist. I think it will be too deep for me. So I'm probably going to put that one in the giveaway as well. Super excited for someone to get to try that. Next up, in bubble wrap, something else from Foray Beauty. This says it's the Vino Rejuvenating Serum Boost. So this is some sort of a skin product with antioxidants in it. So some sort of a serum, I'm assuming. That's really cool. Next. Ooh, this is kind of heavy. Something else from Fourth Ray Beauty. This is the Camel Face Milk. These, they've been out for a while, and every time someone talks about them, I think they sound so fun. I'm a little afraid to personally put them on my face, just how sensitive they can be. My face, how sensitive my face can be. But it sounds like it probably would smell amazing. I don't really want to open it in case I decide to give it to someone. But let's just look at the bottle. Oh, fun. It looks just like a milk and it has a dropper. That is super neat. Another bubble wrapped product. This is another face milk. This is the Papaya Face Milk from Fourth Ray Beauty. And then last thing in the box, looks like it's probably another thing from Fourth Ray Beauty. Yes, so this, oh no, this is not. This is from Soul. This is Colourpop's other sister brand. Soul Body. This is the Shimmering Dry Oil. Okay, this sounds very interesting to me. It's a luxe lightweight dry oil with next level multi-dimensional shimmer. Shake well, massage into skin using fingertips or buff into skin using a brush. I tried like a shimmering oil this past summer and all I felt like it did was cover me in glitter. I did not think it was cute. Whoa, look at that. Can you see like the fun shimmer going on in this bottle? This is such a pretty shade. Wow, I think like this would look amazing on deep skin. This is the shade Sangria. Man, I am super, super tempted to swatch this, but I'm going to resist just in case I decide to go ahead and pass it along. Okay, that was everything in the box. I'm super stoked. I found some things for myself that I can't wait to use, and I also have a very nice little pile of stuff here that I think I will be putting in the giveaway whenever that happens. Just keep your eye out for that. I think it's awesome, you know, that Colourpop did a mystery box. Obviously, this was a way to, you know, get some product out of their warehouse, but you know, I don't mind. That's okay. I really enjoy mystery boxes. There's something about just not knowing what's coming and getting a surprise. If you also got the mega mystery box or any of the other sizes of mystery boxes, I'd be totally interested to hear what you guys got. Let me know down in the comments if you did decide to get one. That's gonna be it from me, guys. I'll see you soon in my next video. Bye.